Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. Recently, I did a mystery box giveaway, and OK Gunrunners, possibly otherwise known as Oklahoma Gunrunners, was the lucky winner. And initially, we were talking, and he said that he's going to do a unboxing of that mystery box. So make sure you check out his channel and like and subscribe to it so you don't miss that unboxing. He does do a lot of unboxing of subscription boxes and other mystery boxes, so it's kind of suited and fitting that he ended up winning that. But when we were talking, he asked if I would like to receive a OLight O Pen Glow in return for review, and I was definitely up for it. When the sale and release came up, I was seriously interested in picking one of these up, but couldn't justify it at the time. And so things do seem to come full circle when you least expect it to. So let's take a look at it. And it came a lot faster from Oklahoma than I was expecting. So this is the O Pen Glow in black. So as you can see, it is a 2-year warranty. And let's take a look at the specifications. On high, it's let's see, it's 120 lumens and it steps down to 60 lumens with a runtime of 14 minutes down to 21 or up to 21 minutes at 60 lumens. It has a 14-meter throw and a 48 candela, and that's on high. We're not going to go through everything here, but we can take a look at that. So this is more or less a unboxing for me, and we'll go for a review later. But let's take a look. So I've never had a O Pen. This will be my first. I see we have an ink refill cartridge there. Lots of goodies going on in the back here. So we don't want to miss that. So that's the refill. Get some of this out of the way here. So we've got safety warnings. Please read the document before use, and then the user manual. Who needs those? Who reads them, actually? Actually, probably a good thing if I do. Let's see, make sure the pen barrel is tightened. If not, please tighten barrel first. This product is shipped in lockout mode. Please unlock it before use. To unlock, press and hold the tail switch for 1 second until the pen clip light turns on or turns off, and lights up again in moonlight mode, indicating that the pen has been unlocked. So press and hold for 1 second. There we go. And take this off. That's pretty bright for a little light like that. So the lowest mode is 5 lumens. It'll step up to 20 lumens, then 60, then 120. And that is for the clip light. Now we do have this light here. That's pretty nifty. So to turn that on, you have to initiate the pen and then press the button there. Now to initiate the laser pointer, we got the bolt action. Press and hold that up. So that's pretty neat. That's a nice little pen here. It looks like you can use the laser pointer as well as the pen at the same time. Now, this is what the internals look like. Now the big difference, one of the big differences with this pen here versus the other styles of O pens is the charging. You get this little charging base, whereas the other ones you actually have to stick a USB Type-C cable into the pen itself. This one here, it'll charge when it's sitting in that. Of course, this is Type-C USB to Type-C USB. And that will plug right into there. So the charging base that comes with it is magnetic. So if you have a metal table or desk, it will automatically stick. Otherwise, they do give you these M adhesive metal pieces here that you can stick that to your desk, and then this will automatically stick using magnetism. So that's pretty neat. And the refill that comes with it is blue, but the insert that's already in there is black. You can pick up either color on their website for a refill, and as you can see, it is fairly easy to exchange. Let's see how it writes. So pretty nice and smooth. So now you can pick this up in 4 different colors. The black, obviously. You can also get in green, blue, and stars and stripes. Though the stars and stripes, I believe, is a limited run. So if I was not able to see at this time if the stars and stripe was still available. But one thing I forgot to mention, it does have a 55-minute charging time, so that's pretty nice. That you put it down before you go to bed at night, and then pick it up and the next day, and you're good to go. So anyways, I want to thank OK Gunrunners for sending this out. This is pretty awesome. I'm going to use this for many years to come. I appreciate it. And I would hope everyone checks out his videos, and specifically the unboxing of the mystery box. And make sure you like and subscribe his channel. And as always, I appreciate everyone watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.